What's going on, Vet 88, and I'm here with you guys today with another review on the Primary Arms Mini Reflex Sight Gen 2. It is the classic version. As you can see, here's the box, nice lifetime warranty paperwork, as well as the informational booklet. As you can see, we have a mount over here to the left, which you can use for offset or mounting it directly onto a pick rail. Down here, as you can see, we have the light, which is on a Glock 49 Gen 5. Really nice, as you can see, nice rubber push buttons to increase the brightness on the 3 MOA dot. Very slim, very close to the slide, as you can see, so it helps with getting that nice, smooth, crisp recognition as soon as you make your draw. As you can see at the top, we have the rubber boot that comes on top of it. If you're like me, then you typically have a lot of accessories and boxes that get banged around. So we're going to do a review, show some shooting, and hopefully you enjoy this video that I put together for you guys. So check it out. All right, so these are going to be the first few rounds out of the mini red dot from Primary Arms. We only loaded about 4 rounds. We haven't zeroed anything, so we're just going to see how well it shoots directly out of the box. All right, so as you can see, we did 4 rounds. 1, 2, and this was a double right here, so that would be 3 and 4. Everything else had already been marked off already to make sure that we knew exactly where we were hitting at. So right out of the box, this thing is pretty zeroed. We're gonna do one more time and we'll check it out and see how it looks, just to make sure that it's not a fluke. All right, so as we can see, these were my hits right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. What I was trying to do was hit it as high into the center region that I could, instead of just, doing the whole box. I just wanted something to pretty much make reference to. And I knew that if I was aiming here at the tip, I wanted to see where my rounds would be landing at. So this is pretty fucking good for something that was zeroed by whoever brought it from the factory. Like I said, I opened up the box right out of the plastic. I didn't touch anything. I didn't do anything to it. And this is pretty much the grouping that I'm getting with it right out of the box.